Starting a college application essay can feel overwhelming, but it's really about telling your story in your own voice. The opening lines are the most important because they help the reader understand who you are beyond grades and test scores. A strong beginning makes the admissions officer want to keep reading. The first step is to think about a small moment that changed your life. It doesn't need to be dramatic. Even a simple event, like helping your neighbor, learning a new hobby, or failing at something important, can make a strong story. Real experiences always create the best essays. Next, begin your essay with a hook. It can be a short memory, a surprising fact, or even a question. For example, the day I lost my first soccer match was the day I learned the value of teamwork. This kind of opening makes the reader curious and instantly tells them something personal about you. After the hook, write one or two lines that explain what the essay will focus on. For example, you could continue, "That defeat taught me more about effort, friendship, and patience than any victory could." By connecting emotion with experience, you show maturity and reflection, two qualities colleges love. Finally, remember that your essay's beginning should sound natural. Don't try to impress with big words. Honesty always works better. A great introduction gives your essay life and makes your personality shine from the very first sentence. Key takeaways. Start with a personal story or moment. Add a hook that catches attention. Keep it real and emotional, not over-polished. Make the reader curious about your journey. I hope you guys this video helpful to you. Share this video with your friends. Thanks a lot.